Most people only use the power button on their AC remote and ignore the rest. But if you use it properly, you can get better cooling, save electricity, and even make your AC last longer. In this video, I'll show you how to use your Daikin AC remote step by step. Even if your remote looks a bit different, don't worry, the functions are almost the same. Before starting, make sure your AC has power and your remote has working batteries. Let's start with the basics. Press the power button once to start the AC, and press it again to turn it off. Next are the temperature buttons. These let you increase or decrease the temperature. For best performance, keep it between 24 and 26 degrees for cooling, and 18 to 20 degrees for heating. Now the mode button, one of the most important features. Default is auto mode. Press mode button multiple times to switch to a different mode. Cool mode is what you'll use most of the time for normal cooling. Heat mode is used in winter, but only works if your AC supports heating. Dry mode removes humidity from the air, which is very useful in rainy or humid weather. Fan mode runs only the fan, without cooling, helping with air circulation. Auto mode lets the AC decide everything automatically, but it's not always the most efficient.
Next is the fan speed button. This controls how fast air comes out of the AC. High speed cools the room faster, while low speed is quieter and more comfortable. A good tip is to start with high speed, then switch to low once the room is cool. You cannot adjust fan speed in dry mode. Now let's talk about the swing function. This controls the direction of airflow. It can move the air up and down, and in some models, left and right as well. Using swing helps distribute cooling evenly across the room. In newer models, there is a comfort airflow option that will prevent cold or warm air from directly blowing on your body.
You may also notice a timer button on your remote, and it's more useful than most people think. It lets you schedule your AC to turn on or off automatically, which is perfect for nighttime or when you don't want it running continuously. To use it properly, first set the current time using the clock button along with the temperature buttons. Then press the timer on button, adjust the desired start time, and press timer on again to confirm. For turning the AC off automatically, press the timer off button, set the time, and press it again to confirm. If you want to cancel the timer, press the cancel button. If your remote doesn't have one, simply press the same timer button again. For example, timer on to cancel the on timer. Sleep mode is specially designed for nighttime use. It gradually adjusts the temperature while you sleep, keeping you comfortable and reducing electricity usage at the same time. If noise bothers you, press the quiet button, or just set the fan speed to the lowest level for a quieter experience. You can also turn off the indoor unit's display light using the light button. In some models, this may be called the lamp or brightness button, which lets you cycle through different brightness levels. There's also a powerful mode, which pushes the AC to cool or heat the room as quickly as possible. It's great when you walk into a very hot room, but don't leave it on for too long. In many models, it automatically turns off after about 20 minutes. Another handy feature is child lock. Just press both temperature buttons together to lock or unlock the remote. Perfect if kids love pressing buttons for no reason. You can also use a wall holder to keep the remote out of reach and avoid the classic "where did the remote go" situation.
And finally, avoid these common mistakes. Don't always set the temperature to the lowest level for cooling. Don't rely on auto mode all the time. Don't forget to clean the air filters. And don't ignore useful features like dry mode and timer. Here's a pro tip. Good insulation, window curtains, and clean filters can significantly reduce your electricity bills and improve cooling performance. Now you know how to properly use your Daikin AC remote. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AC tips, error fixes, and energy saving guides. In the next videos, I'll cover hidden features of the Daikin AC remote, along with detailed guides on functions like timer and Wi-Fi setup.